Life in the US is supposed to be about baseball, basketball, cereals, apple pies, and living the American dream. But like in all other countries, it has its share of safety issues. Despite surveys suggesting downtrend in crime rates across America, alarming headlines and devastating acts like mass shootings, violent aggressions, property crimes, etc., are putting the Americans and others' lives on the edge. Everyone who intends to make a visit or is willing to relocate needs to exercise caution. Today, we are going to share with you a list of 5 most dangerous places in the US in 2020. But before we start, we request you to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon if you have not done so yet. So, without further ado, let's start. Number 5 in our list is St. Louis, Missouri. The chance of being a victim here is 1 in 55. The violent crime rate stands at 18.2% per thousand residents. St. Louis is a major economic hub and a home to 10 Fortune 500 companies. But unfortunately, low unemployment has done little to curb violence here. It has pipped Kansas City to be the most dangerous place in Missouri. Seems hard to believe, but it's true. The homicide rate in St. Louis is 61 incidents per 100,000 people. This makes it the homicide capital of the US. Lately, frustrated residents have been putting pressure on the Missouri lawmakers to change the state's firearm laws. But with no solution in sight, it may be some time before St. Louis residents see any relief. At number 4, making it to our list, is Baltimore, Maryland. The chance of becoming a victim here is 1 in 54. The violent crime rate stands at 18.5% per thousand residents. Historically a working class port town, Baltimore has sometimes been dubbed as the city of neighborhoods, with 72 historic districts traditionally occupied by distinct ethnic groups. Nearly one-third of the city's buildings are designated as historic, more than any other US city. Unfortunately, recent history is something the city's residents likely want to forget, as Baltimore continues to rank as one of the country's most dangerous places. With 134 recorded homicides in 2020, Baltimore is easily one of the most violent and dangerous major cities in America. The city's homicide rate is 51 incidents per 100,000 people, while the robbery rate stands at 837 incidents per 100,000 people. According to the New York Times, violent crime has spiked since the infamous incident of Freddie Gray's death in 2015, and it's showing no signs of getting better anytime soon. At number 3, making it to our list, is Birmingham, Alabama. The chance of becoming a victim here is 1 in 52 people. The violent crime rate stands at 19.3% per thousand residents. Birmingham was once known as the Magic City and earned its name for its rapid growth from 1881 through 1920. Today, Birmingham is the most populous city in Alabama and one of the largest banking centers in the US. Yet, for all its economic successes, it has an alarming crime rate that sits 112% higher than the national average. Aggravated assaults are the primary concern, as they accounted for nearly 70% of all violent crimes that were reported. Although the city saw 195 homicide cases in 2020, it is much lower than the other cities in this list. Sadly, the homicide rate is actually third highest in the country if the whole population is taken into account. The second most dangerous city in the US today is Memphis, Tennessee. The chance of becoming a victim here is 1 in 51 people. The violent crime rate stands at 19.5% per thousand residents. Memphis is a regional center for commerce, education, media, art, and entertainment. This city has prominence for historic and unique Memphis blues sound in the early 20th century. Unfortunately, this city is also attributed to a violent crime rate of 1,943 incidents per 100,000 people, ranking it the second most dangerous city in the South of America. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was also assassinated in Memphis in 1968, and since the civil rights movement, the city has become ground zero for some of the worst firearm violence in the country. Memphis registered 300 homicides in the year 2020. In fact, The majority of cities' homicides this year were firearm related. Recently, the US Attorney General unveiled a new project plan called Project Guardian to reduce firearm violence in Memphis. So, hopefully, Memphis will start to see some relief in the years to come. Taking the number one spot in our list in the most dangerous cities in the US is Detroit, Michigan. The chance of becoming a victim here is 1 in 50 people. The violent crime rate stands at 20% per thousand residents. Detroit was called the Motor City due to the booming auto industry in the 20th century. With the rapid growth of industrial labor in the auto factories, hundreds of thousands of new workers were attracted to the industrial city. Over a period of time, like many other places in the United States, it developed racial conflict and discrimination in this era. While most major US cities continued to grow, Detroit has seen one of the steepest population declines over the last half century. At its peak, the city was home to 1.8 million people in the 1950s, but the decline in manufacturing jobs has driven the population down to less than 700,000 today. With an unemployment rate at 9% and the poverty rate at 37.9%, Detroit ranks as the highest violent criminal activity city in the country. The city saw a 30% increase in criminal homicides and a 49% increase in non-fatal shootings in 2020 alone. Unfortunately, until Detroit's public administration gets its act together and starts attracting business and economic growth, the status of America's most dangerous city will only continue. Well, that brings us to the end of the video. Do you stay in any of the cities mentioned above? If so, please write to us in the comment section below. Also, let us know if you like our content and want to see more such videos. You can also give suggestions on what other topics you would like us to make for you. We will consider your recommendations in our future videos. Once again, we request you to please like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay safe and stay healthy.